Right, filament change on a 3D printer. First of all, let's get the hot end up to temperature for the relevant filament that you're using. So if we go down here, select prepare and select preheat PLA or preheat ABS, depending on which one you're using. So mine's PLA, then PLA, preheat PLA end. Right, now it's up to temperature. Let's zoom out a bit. What you do, obviously, you've got press down to release the cogs inside so you can push the filament through. The easiest way I find is obviously I push down, then just feed it in a little bit. You can see it coming out, and in a second or two then strip out. And that's the way to take your filament out. And now to get the new filament in, get your new filament in. One thing I find is just between your thumb and finger, just try and straighten this out like that. Straight enough, then line it up with the hole, push down on the valve, just slowly feed it in. Then obviously you can see at the bottom, hopefully you can see doing this. Filaments come through. Okay, that's the one way that I find it easy enough, and also the way that I find that helps me is if I just move this camera to here. It's on the throat. You can see this throat. That bit goes obviously in the hot end. And obviously this bit here goes into your extruder. You notice on these throats it's got a tapered end to it. So if you've got a bit of filament, when you try and push it through, that because it's tapered, it will help you go into the hole. Whereas if it's flat, it would, when you're feeding it through, you've got to be more accurate with it. So if you've got the throats, try and make sure it's got this tapered bit here. Okay, and also, I'll just move this camera again. Okay, this throat is in here. I try and get this bit as far up to the cogs inside. Obviously not touching. I'll just get another picture and I'll take it apart and show you. Right, I removed my fan just so I can show you the throat is going in just below the cogs. I'm going to zoom in. As you can see, the throat sticks out just below the cogs to make it easier when you're feeding the filament through that, and obviously so it clears when you push this down as well, and hopefully that will help you give you a good filament change.